What if I told you you could fly an RC airplane like a pro on your very first try? No crashes, no stress, just pure adrenaline and control. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something seriously exciting. The HobbyZone Carbon Cub S2 1.3-meter Cleetus McFarland Special Edition. Inspired by one of the most iconic RC journeys ever, this plane isn't just beginner-friendly. It's engineered to make you feel like a pilot from day one. This isn't just any RC plane. It carries the bold, unmistakable trim scheme inspired by Cleetus McFarland's full-scale Cubcrafters Carbon Cub. If you know Cleetus, you know he started his RC journey flying a HobbyZone Super Cub back in 2009, and now this special edition celebrates that legacy. The moment you see it, you'll notice the scale realism, clean lines, rugged stance, and those oversized tundra tires that scream adventure ready. Now here's where things get game-changing. This plane comes equipped with safe technology. That's sensor-assisted flight envelope. What does that mean for you? It literally helps prevent over-control, loss of orientation, and crashes. There are 3 flight modes: beginner mode, maximum stability; intermediate mode, more freedom; experienced mode, full control. And if things get tricky, hit the panic recovery button and the plane instantly returns to level flight. That's like having a safety net in the sky. Under the hood, or wings, you've got a powerful brushless motor paired with a 30-amp telemetry-capable ESC. This means real-time data like motor RPM, battery voltage, and current draw. And if you're using a compatible Spectrum transmitter, you can monitor it all live. Even the included DXS controller gives you battery status through LED indicators. So not only are you flying, you're learning how your aircraft performs. Let's talk real-world flying. Those oversized tundra tires, they're not just for looks. You can take off and land on grass, gravel, dirt, pavement, and yes, even water with optional floats installed. The tail dragger landing gear and steerable tail wheel give you precise ground control, making takeoffs smooth and landings incredibly satisfying. Want to take things even further? You can upgrade to Safe Plus GPS-enabled technology that unlocks features like auto land, virtual fence, and holding pattern. And if that wasn't enough, add the landing assist sensor, LAS. It automatically flares the aircraft during landing for ultra-smooth touchdowns. Basically, it's like having autopilot helping you nail every landing. Here's what makes this plane truly special. Beginners love it because it builds confidence instantly. Intermediate pilots enjoy pushing its limits, and experienced flyers, they appreciate its versatility and realism. You're not just flying, you're progressing every time you take off. And honestly, there's something incredibly satisfying about going from never flown before to confidently cruising through the sky in just a few sessions. So if you've ever dreamed of flying, this is your moment. The HobbyZone Carbon Cub S2 Cleetus McFarland Special Edition isn't just an RC plane, it's your gateway into aviation. Smash that like button, subscribe for more epic RC content, and tell me in the comments, would you take off from land or water first? Because either way, the sky is waiting. PureRtech. Like, comment, and subscribe.